Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to fix out your GTA error unhandled exception has occurred in your application. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed. First of all, open your web browser and open this .NET Framework official website. You need to click on this .NET Framework 4.8. Click on this .NET Framework 4.8. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and install it in your system to fix this particular issue. As it is saying, it is already installed. So at my end, I have already installed .NET Framework. So once it is installed, restart your system and check if it is working or not. If this doesn't work out, in second method, you need to open this PC, click on the option Documents, and here you will find a folder of GTA. Open it. Here you will find a file with the name GTA_SA. You need to right click on it and delete this file. Now go ahead and try to launch the GTA again. If this doesn't fix the issue, in third method, click on Start menu and type Advanced System Settings. Open it, and here under the Performance, click on the Setting tab. Here choose the Data Execution Prevention tab. Now here choose the option Turn on DEP, and here click on the Add button. And here you need to find executable file of the GTA, which will be available in this PC, C drive, program files. At my end, I have installed it in the Epic Games, so it will be available in the Epic Games folder. Rockstar Games, and here is the GTA San Andreas. Here find GTA_VC file. Hit on it and click the Open button. Now hit Apply and hit the OK button. Even the message saying that you need to restart your system to make it working. So don't forget to restart and try to play the game again. If this also doesn't work out, in next step, open your GTA directory, which is program files, Rockstar Games. Here's the directory. Here you need to find a file with the name GTA_VC. You need to right click on it and delete the file. Once deleted, you will find another file with the name testapp. You need to rename this file and give it a name GTA_VC. Now hit the OK button. Now once renaming, go ahead and try to play the game using this particular link. If it has started working, you need to right click on it and choose the option More Options and click on Send to and choose the option Desktop. Here is a shortcut to the GTA which you can play easily from here. Now if all the method fails, the last option we are left with is to download a redraw file which will be available over here. I'll share this link in the description of this video. Click on this download link to download the file. Once downloaded, open the folder and extract the file onto your desktop. Now copy the file and paste right over here in the directory of your GTA. Hit the continue button, and if any replacement is required, click on the replace button if the file is already exists over here. Once done, close it and restart your system. These are the best possible ways to fix out your issue with the GTA. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.